mentioned to me that this is a milestone series. These were your words, not mine, that the India-Australia Test series is a milestone series. You would want your best men. You've played this game, 115 Test matches. With what you've heard as president, you must be knowing. Would you think that we can get Rohit?
As I said, I hope so. I will not be able to pinpoint it. You will get a clearer picture in the next 7-8 days. Mumbai Indians are still due to play some matches in the IPL. If he turns up,
is that a fitness test? I mean, if he turns up, for example?
Yeah, to an extent, yes. But if he has a tear, which has been reported by both the physios, it will not be easy for him to come back straight away. Because especially now, a month later, yes.
So red ball, there is a definite chance.
Definitely there is a chance if he gets fit, and because I've seen it as a cricketer, I've experienced it as a captain. Your fast bowlers at times have come and said, my hamstring's fine, my quadriceps is fine, I've bowled in the nets. But that match pressure and the match tension, the match nervousness is different. It actually makes your injury a bit more susceptible. Fingers crossed, you want Rohit Sharma to play because he's a tremendous player. We'll wait and see. What
and happens. Ishant, you're confident, you said?
Yeah, Ishant is not that serious. The NCA is monitoring him. Dravid at the NCA is monitoring him. They're working on his fitness. He will be back to bowling on the 18th of November, which is not far, and the test match is 17th December, which is a month away from that. But BCCI has come out with this new rule that for a fast bowler, if you're going back to test cricket after an injury, you have to play a 4-day game and prove your fitness before you play a test.
But where does he get that?
He gets 2 4-day games before the test.
As in
in Australia.
But there will be quarantine issues there. So will he travel and?
Yeah, he'll travel. Okay. We'll make logistics. We'll get it done. We're just waiting for the report of the physio and Dravid and the NCA physio to say that he's ready to go. See, all must understand. The biggest job of everyone, whether it's the board president, whether it's Dravid, the NCA head, or Ravi Shastri, or Virat Kohli, or the physios, is to get players on the park.
Correct.
Not off the park. And that's what our job is. He may be injured now. If he recovers 7 days later, he plays, if he's good enough to play. So there is no hard and fast rule. I see a lot of reports going on, what's the hurry, why has he been picked now, why has he not been picked now, why somebody else. It doesn't matter. If your best player is fit, he goes and plays.
Saurav, we've got a new vice captain. I mean, how impressed have you been with KL Rahul?
Yeah, IPL has been remarkable.
And because of white ball. That's why I asked this question.
Yeah, not for remarkable. Yeah. Even in New Zealand last year, he played very well. Very well. I still have time for him in test matches, and I'm saying that as a cricketer. At the end of the day, it's the selectors who decide who plays and who doesn't play. But just somebody who's played the game and watched him from outside, I still feel he will contribute in all forms of the game, and I wish him all the luck, and hopefully he contributes to the winning cause of India, which is important because this is a good side and everyone has to get together to beat Australia in Australia.
If I look at the bowling attack, I mean, the way Bumrah started the IPL, the way he's finishing the IPL, Shami, and you said Ishant should be fit. Now that's quality. That's real quality.
Yes, it's quality. There's Navdeep Saini also, I think, who has improved enormously than what we saw last year. He bowls at a good pace, good length. So India has the attack. It's about Virat, and I'm saying this as a player and not as a BCCI president. It's about Virat just working with them and getting them to be at their best. It's for him to decide as a captain who he wants to attack with, who he wants to defend with, at which stage of the game he attacks with an Ashwin or a Bumrah or a Saini or a Sharma or a Jadeja. It's his captaincy skill. So he has got the attack, he's got the batting. Opening will be very important. And when you go to England, when you go to Australia, when you go to South Africa, the first 20 overs are very important. You need a Mayank Agarwal or a Rohit Sharma or a Prithvi Shaw to guts that period. There'll be edges, there'll be the ball decking around, and once the 20 over gets past, it's a different game. And that's where test matches are won and test matches are lost. And that's why I've said, Virender Sehwag is one of the all-time greats for Indian cricket, because in my generation, he just took the new ball apart with Dravid at 3. It was a great combination to win test matches. And I think an Agarwal, Prithvi Shaw or a Rohit Sharma has probably got to do that for Virat Kohli. You don't want to see a Kohli and a Rahane every time at 15 for 2, with the ball still being new, and a Cummins or a Stark or a Hazelwood at its best with the new ball. India has won in Adelaide in 2003, in 2018 when they visited. So India has an history of winning in Adelaide. The first test match starts in Adelaide. So you play well, you will get on the right side of the series.
And stakes for Virat could not have been higher. I mean, he's defending this time. He's won in
Yeah.
Australia before. As skipper, we keep saying that's your legacy is Australia, England, taking India to the final. So will be for captain Virat Kohli. Stakes couldn't be higher.
Yeah, and he must sit back and understand that he's got to play better away from home. Yes, Australia was a good series which they won, but they should have done better in England, New Zealand, South Africa, in Test matches. And they're a capable side. They have must have learned from that, and everyone has to bat well. You lost in England because you didn't get Test match hundreds other than Virat Kohli and Pujara. You won in Australia because Pujara got you 500 runs, 300s. Virat got 100. Rishabh Pant got 100. Rahane got scores of 60, 70, 80s. That's the only way you're going to win series. So hopefully they'll fight hard, buckle down, because Australia will be a good attack with Cummings and Stark and Hazelwood and Nathan Lyon. In those conditions, they'll be a good attack. So it'll be a good series.